you can't back the other way, so
Now he gets tagged.
Salado once more charging in. Oh, really connected with right hand. That's what I was saying. This guy's dangerous. Throwing that right hand, if he connects, he's got some power.
Well, Salado's going for broke here. Looking for that really lucky punch to turn the tide.
This fight.
Once again, wants to end this early.
Might have hurt Salado. Salado's holding on. Salado got hurt with that left hand. He's little days. He's moving away from Bacosa. He's just looking to survive. Still throws that right hand. And missing
Still
once
trying
more.
to get lucky here, but he's going to run out of time.
That's the end of the fight. And it's going to be a lopsided victory for sure here for Eman Bacosa on points.